In this video, I will show you how to create new audience in Mailchimp. So the first step is to simply click on audience, and then here you're gonna have to simply click on audience dashboard. So what you're gonna have to do is simply, as you can see, you're gonna have to simply click the manage audience drop down and choose view audiences. If you only have one audience, click the manage audience dropdown and choose view audiences. Then click create audience, and in the confirmation box click create audience. Enter the details in the fields provided, review the contact information for this audience, and edit if needed. In the form settings section, choose the opt-in method for your audience. Check the box next to enable double opt-in to send an opt-in confirmation email when someone subscribes to your marketing. Check the box next to enable GDPR fields to collect consent and explain to contacts how and why you're using their data. In the notification section, review the email address that you'd like to receive notification about your audience and edit if needed. Select your notification preferences and click save, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.